fitani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much gh hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Too much Asha for me, ma Obibia, a cover strong ede ebagano or halajuma di so and sumunia ba a PSC capa minimo edi shia ebiemo and some no dear a was say de ebremo and no and I de eba trending issues de egu apuno so and no and a ye baba de semu na wusu hunia e koso or and then so a near bema funny face ne one and some and a ye beko beka say a ebiemo ma bremo ai wa bre ye nim so obebre adan nipa atimi bre na so kan hu se oyonko da ena oda eye wo ho asem wo ye celebrity ena wo ko ha wo bi mu ana bibi e ha wo ena wusu eye obi esun wo koda na eye obi koda na eye den yank ye de won so wonsem ebe baba beto apono so abobo ho ama wo so watimi enya nkwahye hu se enipa edontika ene ebeka ede amano eye yenua bema funny face ene dey wa babontin na wo hwe se de eye ni baby mama kwada obaya wona na wona kwada ntafo mienu na watimi de kwada na dwane ede wo mu ko eye kumase na wo hwe eye na yira edi kan ya wo no susu woni ni ejaye onu de obabontin beke kansem bebre fa ne ho enu susu ntawantawa wo mu ejaye no wo ye comparison pa efa wo mu mienu ho wo hu ne say my ex-wife look like an angel to me when comparing her to my mother of twins. We any and someone a funny face. What they ababetu a journalist will who is sent. A year ne ex-wife Elizabeth Nana Adjoa in team. Abaya woja no. Emma sum no se wonko. Sa abaya no. Otimi hu sa baya ne de ba no se ye pe obi o ye soro abofa nka baya ne de o de be ma no because alomo jete ya akwa no ne na wo mamu mienu we no hu wanu ne hu ye pa no otena se adwen a wodwen aye se eye ma wo mo eto enu na bedi ninya because eye de okofa na woja ni eye to ho ana de kofa aye wezu so a eye no enti wo hu so onu ni tinye e wo to ho eba ne ma wo mo shape wo mo wa yi pada wonu ni ti enye ewo ehun because ohun say eye Elizabeth Nana Adjoa intim no ono de wo ye soro abofo se wo compare no etu eye ne twins baby mama no pa dia na dentia wo ka say nyina eye dwane a abaye yi ede nkwada no edwane na say why hata why say he body ayede body haban ayede aka eye eja na ni aye say body woda ne fa ha na dane o tra fa ha na achia je say why hata wo hu dia wanya ne hu na no ema ode ne haw ne kwada na ne nusuo ekokogu eye ni Instagram page mara Ghana for ye de ye da anadwofa no wono de wantimi anabi wono de entwero nko a echen se wo ye director bi e wo school mu so ye proprietor so ye dey so wo tro ye nations update e de amama mpanye kufu ado amana be kan de amaye nkwasi ada de na obi entimi enkyere na abusua moma ye nkotie ne nsam no ebi. Have you seen the wrath of an emotional father who has been betrayed by the only woman who gave him children? That's trust, the faith and the love I have for her broken. Because she sold me to my enemies and bloggers to destroy me. I can't sleep. The pain of not seeing my girls. Because she left home with them when I was away. A woman who points a gun on me to shoot and kill me at the slightest argument. A woman who, because gave you children, is using the children against you. Every little thing. By that time, you came from town. I've gone to Kumasi with the children. Then I have to keep quiet and continue doing yes and massa to her like that. If she lies, she should say fifim. She go hear I have suffered for years because of my choice of women. I like women with big bottles too much. Bottles is good for the economy. Bottles clears roads. It gives morale, but when who doesn't think deep has one. It causes distraction. Where any and someone what the etu a giant just was say want me and na oba argument kakra bi ba won chi otimi tu echi etu e di si wo so wo be ko ba bia ba no aka cho se mafa nkwada me do mo ko ahase enti won tina si anya yes amasasa da bi wa bre enti e wo se wo kasa na wonu wa otimi wo se ba no se obi a wo shanku supan dia eye because e boa economy no e boa e ma eye road mutimi clear kama na so se be ma wo kokofasa ade so we to ho so na wo se wonye obi a wadwemu do wo think deep pan dia ene e be ye distraction e dia ma asema wo kan ye na chese wo no onye eye deep thinker ntina e ha we nyina e ba no so ana because statement I will make ye no e kire se obi a wonye deep thinker no wuntimi e handle women with big butts ebiemu osa eto aso etro say I swear Ella Embelle's mother I swear #Ella Embelle's mother compared to my ex-wife child she makes my ex-wife seem to be an angel. I am cleaning my heart and cleansing my soul. I am in pain, so anything that crosses me I will destroy it because she is the mother of my children and she is 3 months pregnant for me again. So I have to think of the future of my girls. So I will only say 1% today. If she feels like saying fifim, to let her come and say it. Like she go feel We'll always love and appreciate the fact that through Jehovah help and Jehovah using us as a vessel through which I've got my Ella and Bella. But one thing I won't stand or take is selling me to my enemies and bloggers to destroy me. Did you really think before doing that? Did you really think before doing that? Lowen, I'm so angry at you because you have destroyed my home. Whilst going through this pain, then you some stupid people sit on social media and insult me. You will lose something dear to the close to your heart. For you to feel my pain some. Just wait and see. It started from the day I cried. I am a strong man. So far this to get to me and give me sleepless nights. These 4 days I will massacre anybody who comes my way. Simple. Way any aye and someone abrantia no wodi etu ejawtimu se nani abriye papa adena baya no dia ye no no. I say ga obi beka say Ghana for say ya bloggers and asem and central for most so abrantia no so kana ma ba mo da beto abonte o kana mo da beto ai e wo so wo kan ye de bebeto se ne e be ya bibi e koso na chire bu ko hu se o wa kana no adru wa hye no nwa konfo obi ama magina bebe anka se ne ya nte hwe ene obi anka hwe ene se nka wo jimi anka ene anka celebrities and bloggers ebeba bontin e de abeto se funny face yese ba o ko sa ha we mu wo bia antimi afa banti anu nti ene ye de ba hu bi pen enti na edu kwadu aye gya ne hu enu nti ene ye de ba se de bibi boni bi esi obi nka se ye bibi boni emba na so bibi boni bi esi a obi afa so bona mbo obi ase ne we yi koso na obi ntimi anka ama ya emu aye betimi di abo aye ka se de be ye obi wo mwa bia wo betimi ede akwakoboa abranten because o hwe ne nkasa ye mu ni ye mu a tese bibia betimi esi bibia betimi aba na wo ye bia no eye yawo na wo de eye embre yi eye mra wo hia adofo wo ne nche na wo bia wonim se wo de ne ti ebeto ne so sesum ye wo numpo na eyi na ma na tamfi wo numpo na adan na chi ede a kire ni enti sesei no eye emra eya hia emre ede ma abrantie no nanso Ghana fo binum ehu ne sa krokoko mu ne sem de abrantie ne ye no enya ne kwan so a eno no mo man kotie adwentire no ebi. Funny face, it's like you don't learn any lesson at all. Big bottles will surely kill you soon. when a woman does such things, when a woman does such things, then there are questions marks all over. Get yourself together, relax your brain, and be a man for once. She cannot keep running forever. The betrayal is a mistake, but a plan to destroy you. She knows your weak points and how desperate you need a child, hence all these wahala. When you find them, go straight for a DNA test. The results will tell you your next action. Be strong. Ono so ade no say abrante no onsua nyansa. Ye say ade no ye de yaw na anya wo ya ye nya wo fa ye. Ye de ya wo ba ko na nka wa tufo. Ye de ayaw na nka wa tufo na so what wa de say to akese na abedi eche de ne how say ya so e na wo bekomu na so won kana kuma to nyama baya no. Enya de say wo betimi adwane akọ awiye eye den ya wo beba na wo ba first thing first enkwada no won fo mu nko eye hospital enkoye DNA test na eho no mum na se ne next action bo beteki a wateki na mum oma no eye shedden yeni abi so e dia wo de eba ye o say I personally don't think Funny Face has an elderly person in his family who can freely give him an advice on women. To be precise, Funny, you need to do DNA first or not so dear and no say. Well, one is a branch away. Or be no ni penny when you show between for their fat and mouth. Beckham and Tempana, one coffin corona DNA test one way, and son be before be one more beya. Why, because obey and quadade and Akuma Sudan Akuma Super Crampo. Nay, will be for ever and a what did I can't tell when you show us who soon want and want painting quite so no who say, and who pay here, so on your DNA test. Yenya, I have your feet Jones, Edia what they ever year or same. Ah, Funny Face, you are not mature to cry. German, Collie, Edia what they ever year, Funny Face and his long S's. Everyone has his own problem to do with. He should deal with his own in a matured manner and stop this social media thing. One also so dear Kingsley, the boss. You cry. It seems you still love your first wife from the way you are saying things. O chairman just say, Funny Face. Ne long what you know. Only say a branch and other so adore a yen a year down. Where they made it Samba worry me. Where the woman say. Well, try a year wrong meat when ya and Cobessa when he read that no one because on put the one and you just over wanting a back say, well, you 2 minutes man name on Coniba. It's only say, or Donum a be at that so or at the man. You have been so at the what they ever you say, wait, and ye be will could you do or still look for juju. Call juju ma or juju ma or now we're cocoa mu and yes any over chima by an agent that they are fast on our buffet and Koranaba chim for far as so you have been so your day ever or same. So is the woman not having parents to tell her what she is doing is not right? Oh, Ghanaians, dear, now dear, our parents are irresponsible. Say, hey, and to Abano, 1 year Busian. 1 year Busian, one back at Jenny said, there we a Jimmy Sam a young quadanio menti jai. Now, Sako, where you could fee. And I said, Cobama, no back found quadano coma bema. Ah, a Busian, most so much of Barnes one. I want my job be by a dear canter, so they said, oh, Timose, a year a Busian for about 21st century. No, one or me irresponsible. Or no so idea what they ever yem and no. Yenya Mensa Williams and so Eddie said there should be something wrong with this man because how can women be doing this to you? You have to ask yourself questions. Maybe there is something that you don't know. And also so Eddie and no. Yenya Jacobs Eddie what they ever was something is not right with Funny Face, so he should go for checkups and also so adventure what they ever yeah and no. Ebusian say. Funny Face, what year comparison who say a year Ella and Bella or Mamma men were deep a year and quadra dear pa so or farm and then it's night. When say a year that dano, that's all one for swap a chance I buy with 3 to 2. What Timmy a year your mabasa tantanta would drink 1 said here. Not just who say a year that dano or your or before. or ye angel ede a man say or compare or no any a twin baby mama na just who say there is a far difference, far gap eda wo emuna so dodo na etunefo ede afan we binum so won hwe ne hu ye ewo ema we binum so ehu ne say de oba no eye no enye ewo se busua no ema na ne hu say de wo ye no enye ebinum so say wewe mane ha no ho die ne test wo onkonko ye no hu so wo ye bema na so wo nye bema ebia na nkwada no enye ne ba enti enu ene betumi abona ma sa emotional pains ne ya wo kom no ni nyina eto etumi echa abusia ensem ebeto apono so wo ne wo mo ya adwen anasa wo ne wo mo enye adwen de wagye nche eche bia no wo betumi ede aba too much gh one subscribe ya mesesa wo beyem one share dem abusia for all the social media platform ebiem so like na for wagye nche no etu edwa na emrepem no mekenkan ede amam dasane yebesane hia.